Okay, let's take a moment to summarize everything we've learned in the IAM section. This is a very important topic, and these are the key concepts you need to remember. First, we learned about IAM users. A user is a real person, like you or me, who needs to access AWS. Each user has their own password to log into the AWS console. We also learned that we can organize these users into groups. A group is just a way to put a bunch of users together so you can manage their permissions more easily. Just remember, groups can only contain users, not other groups. To give users and groups permissions, we use policies. A policy is a document that acts like a rulebook. It clearly outlines exactly what a user or group is allowed to do and what they are not allowed to do. Then we have IAM roles. This is a very important distinction. A role is like a user, but it's meant for an AWS service, not a person. We learned that an EC2 instance, for example, needs to use a role to get permission to perform actions on your behalf. For security, we saw two great tools. We can enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, which adds an extra layer of protection to your accounts. We also learned how to set a strong password policy to make sure our users are using strong, secure passwords. Finally, we learned that IAM isn't just for the web console. You can also use IAM to manage your services from the command line interface on your own computer. So that's the summary of IAM. The most important thing to remember is that IAM is the foundation of security on AWS. By using these concepts correctly, you can make sure that only the right people and services have access to your account. Great job on finishing this section. I'll see you in the next video.